Myths and facts about reverse mortgages. There are a lot of myths about what a reverse mortgage is and what it does. If you are a senior living in Sequim, Washington, find out the facts below. Contact David Nute to learn more about how a reverse mortgage loan can benefit you. There are many misconceptions about reverse mortgages that sometimes lead people away from considering one. Here are many of the myths and facts about reverse mortgages that we hope bring clarity and assist you in making the most informed decision. Reverse mortgage myths and facts. Myth number 1. You immediately sign over ownership to your home. The fact is, you retain title to your home as long as you meet the loan guidelines and requirements such as maintaining the property, paying all property charges such as property taxes, homeowners insurance, flood insurance, and homeowners association dues, if applicable, and avoiding extended absences from the home longer than 6 months. Superscript 1. MYTH number 2. If you take out a reverse mortgage loan, your children won't be left with any of the home equity. The fact is, while the amount of equity typically decreases over time with a reverse mortgage, it doesn't mean there will be no equity left when the last borrower dies. There are several factors that go into how much equity will be left, such as home appreciation, length of the loan, and optional monthly payments. There can still be equity left for your children. Myth number 3. Your children will be responsible for repaying the loan when you die. The fact is, a reverse mortgage is a non-recourse loan, meaning that the lender can only be repaid from the proceeds of the sale of the home and not more than the value of the home. That means even if the home decreases greatly in value, the maximum repayment amount can only be up to the value of the home. While your heirs will not be responsible for the loan repayment, they will still have the option to refinance the loan to purchase it for themselves. Myth number 4. A reverse mortgage requires that you make monthly mortgage payments. The fact is, while you can choose to make mortgage payments, they are not required with a reverse mortgage. The borrower is still responsible to maintain the property, pay property taxes, homeowners insurance, flood insurance, and homeowners association dues, if applicable. Superscript 1. Myth number 5. You must have your first mortgage paid off before you can qualify for a reverse mortgage. The fact is, while any debt on your home's title must be paid off at closing, and you must have adequate equity in the property, it is not required that you own your home free and clear before getting a reverse mortgage. Myth number 6. You are not allowed to sell your home if you have a reverse mortgage. The fact is, you can sell your home if you wish, and just like any other mortgage loan, you must pay off the reverse mortgage at closing. There are also no prepayment penalties if you choose to pay off your loan early or make loan payments. Some additional HECM loan reverse mortgage loan facts. Many retirees use a reverse mortgage. A reverse mortgage allows older homeowners to access a portion of the value of their home. A reverse mortgage is a specialized loan for homeowners 62 and older. A reverse mortgage is eligible only for the borrower's primary or principal residence. Reverse mortgages that are FHA insured, home equity conversion mortgages, are insured by the Federal Housing Administration, providing protection for both borrowers, lenders, and beneficiaries. HUD counseling from an independent HUD-approved third-party counselor is required prior to the borrower incurring any costs associated with the loan. The cash or proceeds you receive from a reverse mortgage typically are not subject to individual income taxation. However, we suggest you consult your tax advisor to provide guidance for your particular situation. Superscript 2. It is not a government grant, but a loan that is repaid in the future when the home is sold, or the last borrower dies, or permanently leaves their residence. Superscript 2. Reverse mortgage proceeds could affect government needs-based programs such as Medicaid and MEDI California. Those receiving such benefits should consult a professional before obtaining a reverse mortgage. A reverse mortgage loan is secured by a mortgage on the home, and failure to comply with loan terms could result in foreclosure. It's a specialized loan. However, program rates, fees, terms, and conditions are not available in all states and are subject to change. Superscript 1. There are some circumstances that will cause the loan to mature in the balance to become due and payable. The borrower is still responsible for paying property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintaining the property to HUD standards. Failure to do so could make the loan due and payable. Credit is subject to age, income standards, credit history, and property qualifications. Program rates, fees, terms, and conditions are not available in all states and subject to change. Superscript 2. Borrowers should seek professional tax advice regarding reverse mortgage proceeds. Equal housing opportunity. Equal housing opportunity. This material is not provided by, nor was it approved by the Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD, or by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA. It is not intended to be a substitute for legal, tax, or financial advice. Consult with a qualified attorney, accountant, or financial advisor for additional legal or tax advice. There are some circumstances that will cause the loan to mature in the balance to become due and payable. The borrowers must continue to pay for property taxes and insurance and maintain the property to meet HUD standards of risk default. Credit is subject to age, minimum income guidelines, credit history, and property qualifications. Program rates, fees, terms, and conditions are not available in all states and subject to change. David Nute. NMLS number MLO 91704. 334 Watts Washington Street, Sequim, Washington 98382. Phone 800-562-9514. Work phone 360-582-9028. Creative Retirement Planning Incorporated, NMLS number 1175810.